everyone. Right, so as discussed in our last video, so we've now created our table, but what if you wanted to make some changes for some reason to your table? Right, so to do so, if you wanted to make a change to your table structure, maybe you wanted to add another column, or you probably wanted to change your data type. Right, so how do you do that? Right, so you click on your table, you just go to design, that's the design of your table. Now, for example, what if I wanted to allow a few more characters in our first name? Now, let's say if I wanted to do that, and instead of 100, I want to say now this is 150. Right, so you've changed your number of characters. What you need is click on save. But when you do click on your save, you'll probably see this prompt that's up on your screen saying save changes is not permitted. The changes you made require the following tables to be dropped and recreated. What that means is, if you save your table right now, if you click on save files, it won't do it. It won't allow you to save that, because you need to drop your table and recreate it as a new table. This is a security feature which is inbuilt into the SQL Server Management Studio. But there is a way that you can bypass the security. It's not recommended, because what you're doing is you're then bypassing an integral part of the management studio itself. That's something which is inbuilt security that prevents you from making changes by mistake to your table or table structure. But as I said at the moment, we've changed our data types. We've clicked on save. We're not able to do so. It's just asking us, the table will be dropped and recreated. And if you wanted to go ahead with that, you save it as a text file, and then you recreate your table using that text file. But I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to click close on here. Close. No. Now, so for you to be able to make a change, just go to tools, option, and then you've got the designer. On your left hand side, you will see your designers menu. You've got environment, text editor, query execution, query results, but you need the designer, and from designer table you can just get from designers menu, click on table and database designers, and you do have an option that says right at the bottom, it says prevent save changes that require table recreation. So you can untick that box, click OK. Right click on your table, go to design. Now if I wanted to make a change to maybe the data type itself, I'm just wanting to do this as a 150, click save. Now you should be able to save your table as expected. That's now saved. Close your table. Now to verify, refresh, click on column. You should be able to see the first name as 150 now instead of 100. Now that has saved your table, and your table design is your table structure is modified for you. But what's happened in background is SQL Server has automatically dropped that table and recreated it without giving you that error that you had in your previous video. Right, this is how you would make a change to your table structure if you wanted to. Next video, we will add some data to this table because we don't have anything on the table just yet. That is going to be the next video.